Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystal Fonts, and today we're looking at a sharp little 3-inch TFT display that will be serving up in 3 varieties. First, the display by itself. Second, the display mounted to an Eve-powered PCB. And third, the whole kit and caboodle. Eve development kit with a microprocessor, all the wires, an Eve breakout board, and of course the display mounted on the Eve PCB.
We have a display for that.
First, let's look at the characteristics of this TFT. It's 240 by 400 pixels. It supports multiple interfaces with 8, 9, 16, and 18-bit parallel, 16 to 18-bit RGB with SPI initialization, or 3 or 4-wire SPI. It's 3-inch diagonal, 1.77 inches wide, and 3.03 inches tall, and a tenth of an inch thick. Its active area is 1.53 inches wide and 2.55 inches tall. It weighs a half an ounce. The display looks awesome with 262,000 colors, and it's IPS, so it's visible from all directions with a relatively bright backlight. It's great for indoor or outdoor use, just probably not in the direct sun. The display is only 3.3 volts with the backlight, so it's pretty low power. This TFT uses a 45-pin FPC for connecting to power and data, and we also carry the matching 45-pin ZIF connector. In the description below there's a link to the product page which has all the information about this display with links to all other variations including a touchscreen version, components and bundles, as well as the datasheet, pricing, 3D models, and more. If you have any questions about this display or any of our products, give us a shout in the comment section below or feel free to email us at support@crystalfonts.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
We have a display for that.